Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, All Natural Cassine. Always grateful to have you sharing with me, or just being here, always grateful. I want to say thank you very much to all my existing subscribers. I will always forever appreciate you. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share, comment if you want to, and everything, right? Just the good things, right? Just the good stuff. I hope you'll enjoy this video. It's very plain and simple. This style is very simple. It won't take you more than 5 minutes. I assure you. Yeah, it will not take more than 5 minutes. So I hope you like it. I won't be talking for the rest of the video because I don't want you to get tired of my voice. So I'm just gonna leave you here, and I hope you'll enjoy my video. Remember, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff, right? Have yourselves an amazing